Alright, I made it into another Home Depot, and they do have some of their newer animatronics out and turned on, like this Chucky over here.
Tiffany, will you be my bride?
Might have to listen to these a couple times. They put them right where the carts are.
First thing we gotta do is get out of this body once and for all. I'll be back. I always come back. But dying, such smoke.
And he is $229. They do have Stripe from Gremlins. I have a TikTok where he's actually working, and I'll put the link in. For some reason he's just not turned on today or whatever. It's kind of hit or miss with Home Depot. Sometimes they'll be turned on during the day, other times they'll turn them off or they'll break. I have no idea. Something's been going on with this location specifically. But these are $179 a piece. They do have Tiffany. I can't figure out what is setting her off and what isn't. Oh, here we go.
Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong here.
Let's see.
I love you, Chucky. See, now that's the work of a true homicidal genius.
And Tiffany's gonna be $129 as well.
I believe we've already met, haven't we, sweet face?
We got that articulated skeleton again, the one with the fingers that we saw in the last time, in the last video. 40. There's a big skeleton here. Looks like he's about a little over 6 foot. He is $279, and he has the projector eyes, the ones where they're animated. I haven't seen him turned on yet though. I think it's mostly just like cartoon eyes, but some of the bigger ones have like flames and other effects going on in their eyes too. I'm not sure what all this one does. And we have this big troll over here too. He's massive. He's 8 foot tall.
You can't outrun me. Me always catch my
Okay, he's really cool. And for only $250, he's pretty awesome. See some of the other stuff they got in here. For $50, you have this 3.5-foot Grim Reaper statue. And this 3.5-foot Plague Doctor statue for $50 as well. That one's really cool. They got a lot of detail on that one. For $40, we got this statue here. Looks like it was blown apart. Got the head down there. It's 3 foot tall for $40. For $40, we got our cool articulated skeleton again. For $40, we also have a golden retriever ghost with his little puppy. And it lights up. And we also have this one over here. This little chocolate lab or black lab. We got a cat mummy for $40. He's 2 foot tall. 2.5 foot, sorry. We got a golden doodle here in a skeleton costume. It doesn't light up, but it is glow in the dark. The white parts will glow. And here's a 6.5 foot skeleton that was up front that wasn't turned on. It looks like it actually does quite a bit of stuff. Let me show you the item number here. And then let's see what all it does. This is a 6.5 foot Graven Bones animated LED app controlled ultra skeleton with life eyes, LCDs. So the eyes are LCD screens. Looks like you got a timer so you can set it for whatever you want. Different animations. Oh, I didn't know it moved. You can control the arms, torso and mouth with the remote. That's cool. So it's like a remote control robot skeleton. That's really neat. Too bad it doesn't walk. That'd be even better. Create up to 30 sound recordings with voice changing effects. Oh, that's neat. You can put your own stuff. Okay. You can speak through it and talk to people. Okay, that's cool. That's like one of those Disney things whenever you're in the line queues. Play recordings through Bluetooth. You can customize your light up effects. Now look at all these eyes. It's like you could have it for every holiday. That's so freaking cool. And that's what he looks like all lit up. So the inside of his torso and his throat and stuff light up. And then, you know, of course, his animated eyes there. Then it looks like for ones that don't have out, we got this 7.5 foot stacker, like zombie kids. $200. And they have animated eyes, it looks like. Or illuminated eyes. And you can take them down and pose them separate. And there's their item number as well. And we've got this one here, the Graven Bones. It looks like a dead Sweeney Todd. That's what it reminds me of. He's got LED eyes. And he's a zombie barber. Okay, that's neat. Let's see. He is $129. And that's his item number. Well, I hope you enjoyed the stuff we found today. I'll keep trying to find more stuff and show it as we find it. Thanks for coming with me. Thanks for coming with me. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and all that good stuff, it really helps me and Ray out, helps our channel. And thank you for your guys' support. You guys have a great day and a happy Halloween.